middle between Tena and Puyo, and it is hot, hey?
Yeah.
Jungly, man. I'm gonna do some droning. We just reached Tena. We're just driving through the cutoff. You guys having fun? Seesaw, seesaw. They got their boat. Nice. I had to stop to check out this huge river. It's a monster. After many hours of driving, we just came to the spot. This guy just checked under my car with that fancy tool. Oh.
Adam, what are you driving with?
Gracias. Balneario, 100 metros, spa 160.
Oh, let's go to the spa.
Did you bring your wallet?
No. I did,
Oh.
okay.
Then
Yeah,
you get
sure.
Balneario.
$1.
We bit off a lot today. I hope we can chew it. This drive's been a long one.
Here's your swimmers.
Yes. Are they wet?
Yeah.
I don't care.
And stinky because they've been wet.
Oh,
in
well,
this
I don't want to
bag.
wear those then.
Well, we can clean them in the. Or I can wash them. Okay, you can pick different ones. They totally stink.
No thanks. Termas Papallacta Balneario. How much? Are you cold or are you ready for the hot tub?
Cold. And ready for the hot tub.
Me and my girl, just me and my girl. Get away, Serge. After the long drive, the kids are fairly excited, but not as excited as the madre. Mama. Oh, so pretty. So pretty.
Like Madu.
Are you ready for it to get in the pool?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
So to get in here was quite expensive. $11 for an adult, which you are now an adult.
I said I was 11.
You said you were 11?
Yeah.
Niños.
Yeah.
The kids were 5 each.
No cap.
Just say, welcome to Balneario.
I can't.
Please.
Welcome to Balneario. We're at the hot springs. We drove 4 hours to get here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so annoying. Some people are wearing caps and some aren't.
My big toe. Mom, I can't reach down here. Look here. You're
Wow.
right here. Mom, look how not
Quite nice around here. Look at that mountain.
This kid,
you win.
Some people are annoying and some are really annoying.
What?
annoying and really annoying. Here we are. Don't splash me, okay?
It's like dumb and dumb. Annoying and
This is the way to go. Balneario. I like it. Right? Bueno, right?
I touched it.
It's very good, right? Yeah.
Should I go?
What's your name? Julia? Julian. My name is Adam. Yeah. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
Canada.
Oh, nice place. Very cold.
Yeah, it's so cold. We like it here better. Why are you on my shoulder?
I don't know.
I'm gonna start calling you Parrot. Just like China, WC means bathroom.
Water closet. It's the same in Europe.
Water closet? Oh,
We're gonna do a contest who can say in the cold water the water.
deal.
But we're gonna have to go back. Cold?
Cold?
Okay, ready, Ewan? Oh, what? This isn't cold. That is.
This is the way to spend a Friday afternoon. You gotta pamper yourself once in a while, you know? Just do what you need to do to relax. This water, just for your information, good for the skin. Good for lowering anxiety and stress. There's Ewan over there. He's playing a game of bounce the soccer ball.
What? Oh, I gotta take you now.
Hey, are you gonna go get some food? What are you gonna get?
I don't know yet. I want to do and sandwich.
Sandwich.
And nachos.
Well, some of us spa. The others order the food for the family.
Some are hunters and some are gatherers.
And some are laziers.
Mom's that.
Me?
We're the hunters and we're the gatherers.
Hopefully they have good stuff in here. Hola! What's
Dad,
your
can we get
best
cake?
meal?
Please, can we get a cake?
Premier uno. Which one?
What?
What do you guys think about this restaurant? Hot Springs.
Pull your plate closer, please.
Sorry, you got a big drip on your forehead. Sanduche.
Oh, yeah.
Sanduche.
We're gonna go for one last dip before we get back on the road. I'm gonna hang my towel on this hook. I think that's the point of it. I feel a little bit of rain coming.
Well, we're pulling back into Quito. That was a long week there. The big tour of the south of Ecuador. Not the south.
The Orient.
The center. We're heading back to Quito, then heading north to Otavalo. Coming up here, Quito is now in the background. Betsy got thirsty again, and also I love that it's full service here. I wonder how much this is going to cost this time. $18. Crazy.
We start in the garage. And then there's this dining room area. And then you can see a window to the kitchen. And then to the left is Mom and Dad's room. Guys, you're kind of breaking my okay. And here's Netflix and the bathroom. Hello. And then over here is my room. TV, bed, you know. And then if you can go through this. And then there's the bathroom over here. And then this is Ewan and Tina's room. Right, Ewan? Ah! This is on Dad's camera. He's definitely gonna see that. Are you regretting your decision? Okay.
Did he do that?
Yes, he did. Can you believe?
Dad?
Let's go left first. Up these stairs. Oh, there's a little games room. And you can see outside. That's so cool. A cassette, I think. Here's an olden days TV from like a billion years ago. Okay,
We can actually work
now
here.
back down the stairs.
You actually have a desk and a table.
And here's a living room. Very cool. And then here's the kitchen. And you can see outside into the outside. And that's where we're staying.